Hi darlings, welcome back to the channel with another video. So yeah, it's a brand new morning and I am ready for lectures and my honorable is open up my baby. Hey, what come on I fata. Oh my iPhone. So yeah, he's going for a wedding, so he's dropping me off at school and then I'll go and learn whilst he's going to chill. So yeah, go with us. Let me take you guys through my a day in a life and a day. So yeah, you guys got with me to lectures. Yeah. Oh, I know they're fatal. Allah, I had to come. It's all fresh. Allah fresh. Allah fresh.
Allah.
So yeah, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment down below at the comment section. So yeah, let's go.
It's my minister.
I end this phone.
Party be maybe a different party be strong. So you don't want a pool more voter.
On we go. Hey, you know that bet you. I need bush kind. Talk ongoing.
We are Nigerian.
And where the now con? Oh, okay. I'm on why Ghana girls bow.
As a money ending.
Yes, on basis. Ah. Oh, okay. Not everyone offensive. So yeah, husband. This is how my husband is looking. So yeah, we've stopped at White Joints. He's getting some for himself and myself as well. Allah. Come be one. Outfits of the day. I'm okay. Oh, maybe some class now wanna make. Harold, I'm okay.
Good morning.
You sure any move for? Hi. And if I'm okay. Where my boy? We know. So yeah, I am here. Hey, okay, my dad. I said, this is something exercise.
There will be no specific figure. There will be no specific figure. So they will tell you calculate the school debt rate. And that is when you will add all the debts in the scenario together and then do your calculation. Yes.
Madam, please, with the 811, you said outbreak of disease there.
It's not free, it's dead.
Police are confusing. My wives are confusing. We the public health nurses, we are passionate when it comes to outbreak of disease. Outbreak of disease in public health nursing means there has been some conditions of disease that are leading to death.
And that is what, when you come to death, the definition for death, they give you have any death. We have done mortality disabilities, like you understand what I'm trying to say.
Very interesting class. Whether we have enjoyed the class. Yeah, so we are moving to another road. Okay, at this point,
Who surprise you?
please let my mom know. Sister, it's you. Into your call 2:30 to 4:30, and Sunday I'll 4:30 to 7:30. Jesus. Jesus is Lord.
So it's Friday, who was from them in Yaji,
Yeah, but still we'll cross.
so you are paying the consequences.
And no cry. So now done. I've now closed for lectures. Going home. So fun. School girl. I am now going home. Yep. So yeah, this is how the day is going to end. So since I am busily working, I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, family. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below at the comment section. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.